The 2018 BMW X1 is somewhat the same. It doesn't exceed expectations in a single zone, but instead it's quite great in a ton of regions. It's exquisite, it interfaces with the driver in intriguing ways, and it's a better than average ship. BMW has admirably chosen to keep the X1 saved, however not dreary. The mocha dark-colored seats are traditionally attractive, however the trace of red that radiates through in specific lights gives the inside a little energy. Over that, the greater part of the materials are of astounding quality and are masterminded in a basic yet outwardly satisfying way. On this score, BMW will soon confront firm rivalry from brands like Volvo with the XC40, however for the time being, the outcome is an inside that influences adulthood to rest easy. That is the place BMW has been the most brilliant. It has seen that offering an item as energetic doesn't imply that adolescents are essentially the ones getting it. Youngsters, as we've built up, don't have cash. Marginally more seasoned individuals, who do have cash, need to feel youthful however without all the burden of youth. The X1 strolls that line wonderfully. Furthermore, much the same as BMW knows its clients personally, it likewise comprehends individuals. A considerable measure of autos continue endlessly about how coordinated they are and after that offer Apple CarPlay and turn in until tomorrow. The X1 offers that yet goes well beyond by likewise giving you an extremely convenient place to put your telephone, making it simple to interface, and after that having it inform you regarding all the fascinating spots you're driving past. With an extremely interesting wiki query include, your infotainment screen rapidly turns into a fortune trove of neighborhood data. The capacity utilizes GPS to look into purposes of enthusiasm around you and afterward raises the Wikipedia article. It's shockingly simple to utilize and any individual who has tuned into the 99% Invisible podcast will promptly comprehend the interest of finding out about all the little ponders that encompass us consistently. It's a perilously intriguing component since anybody with an ounce of interest will discover taking a gander at the screen overpowering regardless of whether they're, say, driving. The reason I like it, however, is that it demonstrates that BMW is extremely looking to really do stuff with this network we're being guaranteed. A considerable measure of present-day infotainment is, to be perfectly honest, superfluous. You get a great deal of enormous screens, giving you very little more data that we approached before the iPodification of vehicle insides. Without a doubt, seeing the collection front of the melody I'm tuning into is fine, I figure, however it's not especially advancing. The X1, however, really accomplishes something with that screen. What's more, the wiki information highlight helps relax when you're stuck in city activity, which may be what this auto does best. Despite the fact that the X1 depends on an indistinguishable stage from most minis, of which I am a declared fan, the drive isn't especially captivating. However, for the errand of shipping people to and from work, it's consummate. BMW has composed its little hybrid to be as unsporty as could be expected under the circumstances and that was intense. Be that as it may, the outcome is a smooth, simple driving auto whose exclusive concern is doing everyday errands easily. The throttle advances effectively, the directing is light and easy, and the propellers work unhesitatingly yet don't get unnecessarily